bit of a rundown on the system I built over the weekend. As you can see, nice cable management, nice 1000 watt power supply. Got a display screen in there, it's rated AAA, which means everything's running fine as it should be. We've got the GeForce GTX 980 Ti gigabyte, 6 gig DDR5 RAM. I've ran a couple of games, constantly getting about 60 FPS constant, haven't dropped down on ultra settings, which is good. We've got our i7 CPU there, 3.4 gigahertz, and this is the case here. Obviously I've still got to put a side panel on yet. I was just giving you an inside view. We've got our LED lighting system up here, so we can turn it off, just have the one in the case or the one up top, or both. You can also change the colour. It's got a knob here, so which is pretty cool. I'm not really into LED lighting, but why not? And go down into like a red and a purple, but I'm sticking with green just because of obviously it's matching my green keyboard and mouse, so try and keep everything fucking similar. Can't really see it, it looks a bit blue, but it's green on mine. I'll put the case on and I'll put the side panel on and I'll show you what that looks like. Alright, got the side panel on. So, got another fan there. I haven't connected it yet. I'm not too sure if I'm going to, but I probably will. And you can see it in there. So, back a bit. That's where all the games happen.